I am the head of Softcat Cyber Services. I've been in this current business for 19 years now. I've been responsible for the solutions drive around cybersecurity, and for the last 4 years been driving our services organisation. We cover everything from SMB through to SME through to enterprise. Public sector is a large part of our organisation these days. We employ close to 1,700 people. We've got 8 offices in the UK alone, and we are growing between 10 and 15% annually. The requirement for resource and people into organisations is heavy. At the sharp end of that is the cybersecurity market, and the sharper end of that is that analytical market. You've got the pressure from the business to understand what risk sits within the organisation, how the business is going to mitigate against those. You've got an over volume of platform implementations within these organisations. That's further compounded by the people issue and having enough people to manage, maintain, water and feed those platforms. We needed to start producing platforms and services that were going to help to eradicate some of those problems. We knew very quickly that in order to scale at the scope and rate that we needed to service our customer base, we couldn't do it purely with people. Automation was a very, very important thing that we had to bring into the service. We had to help us get the volume of work done. How can we automate that volume piece? And how can we make our employee satisfaction better? How can we retain the talent that we've got in our business? We worked out the people time associated to the high volume tickets that were being generated and the time it took to handle those tickets. What automation allowed us to do was to close that period of volume incidences down from minutes to seconds to then make a decision. And it eradicated a lot of the human error out of it. Swimlane for us is the hub in the middle of everything. All of our cybersecurity managed platforms that we run filter into Swimlane. Swimlane is the platform that our analysts use. And actually what that gives us is a high level of flexibility that we can evolve our services as the market demands more from us. If we need to bring a new platform in, if we need to consume from a different route, the route is always into Swimlane. What we're not requiring our analysts to do and our engineering team is to learn a new platform. We just create the integration into Swimlane, and that's where our analysts and our teams live. It's an automation platform, period. It's not just a security automation platform. The uptick was incredible. And actually the feedback from the analysts was absolutely brilliant, because all of a sudden we've taken this whole piece of work off their lap. And instead of it being 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes of effort, it's seconds. So we've given them a load of time back. So very, very quickly we saw a return. Swimlane is everything to the team that work on it. So they have their dashboards, they have their reporting, they have all of the stuff that they need to do within the platform. As we continue to evolve and develop our services and our offerings and our capabilities, as we continue to develop what customers want to see from an output perspective, all of that will be served to them through Swimlane in a single dashboard, in a single platform.